All right, today we're going to pull back the curtain on a true unsung hero, something that's probably sitting in your bathroom cabinet or first aid kit right now. It's one of those things you use all the time without even giving it a second thought.
So let me ask you something. What's that one super simple tool you have at home that's a total champ at handling, say, a little scrape and your whole nightly skincare routine?
You guessed it. It's the good old absorbent cotton pad. And really, its secret power is just how simple it is. The source material breaks it down perfectly. They're white, soft, round. And here's the key: compact and uniform. And that uniformity, it's not just about looking neat. It's what makes them so reliable every single time you grab one.
Okay, so let's dig into what makes this little thing so darn essential. It kind of has this double identity, And that's really its superpower.
And here's where you really see that double life in action. In one corner, you've got first aid. It's crucial for cleaning wounds. But in the other corner, it's a total staple for cosmetics. We're talking facial cleansing, taking off makeup, even getting rid of that stubborn nail polish. It's a real workhorse, isn't it?
So let's zoom in on that first job for a sec. The cotton pad as your go-to first responder when you're in a bit of a jam.
I mean, the source material couldn't be clearer. Used to clean wounds. And that simple job is exactly why its design is so brilliant. It's soft, it's absorbent, it's gentle. Think about it. For a little cut or a scrape, the last thing you want is something that's going to irritate it, right? You need something that cleans things up without causing more trouble. And that's exactly what the cotton pad does.
All right, let's switch gears and look at its other life. From a first aid hero to what I like to call a cosmetic workhorse. And for a lot of us, this is where we see the cotton pad in action every single day. It just slides right into your personal care routine so perfectly. First up, facial cleansing. It's amazing for putting on toners or essences. Then you've got makeup removal, gently wiping away everything from the day. And finally, nail polish removal. Come on, that can be a tough job, and you need a tool that's simple and absorbent to get it done. It's like having a little assistant right there with you. Now, for this simple tool to do its job right, you've got to store it properly. It sounds super obvious, but trust me, it's a really important step.
And the advice is simple. Just keep them in a cool, dry place. And why does that matter so much? Well, if they get damp, they can get kind of gross, and they won't be as absorbent. And you definitely don't want that if you're about to use one on a cut or something.
And think about it. You usually get 100 of these in a pack. That's not just a number. That's like 100 opportunities to be ready for anything, whether it's your skincare routine or a little emergency, all in one little package.
Okay, so let's tie this all together. What's the big takeaway here? What really makes this everyday object so dang important?
So why does the humble cotton pad matter so much? It all comes down to that simple, brilliant design. It's soft, it's gentle, it's uniform, but its real strength? That dual purpose. The fact that it can jump between first aid and cosmetics so effortlessly, and it's all tucked away in one simple, easy-to-store package. It's pretty much the definition of a simple, effective, and absolutely essential tool.
And that kind of leaves me with one last thought. This amazing little pad does so much with so little, which makes me wonder, and I'll ask you this, what other simple heroes are hiding in plain sight around your home? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.